Hello and welcome to Markets View at Deven Choksey, the daily market podcast where we decode the Indian financial markets. Let's get started for the day. The GIFT Nifty this morning is trading higher, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. The Asian markets are largely higher in early trade. Nikkei extends decline and Dow is down around nearly 1%. The US futures are higher after cash market ended largely lower on Monday. The US market did see a muted session ahead of key inflation data. If we go stockwise, Oracle soars more than 12% in extended trading on better than estimated Q4 results. Big Tech continues decline after a run-up last week where Nvidia is down around 2%. The US 10-year yield inches higher at 4% ahead of key economic data. Talking about the energy pack and the bullion market, the crude slips as investors await OPEC report. Brent is trading at $82 a barrel and gold is rising as investors await more clarity on Fed's rate trajectory. So this is how the trade setup this morning for global markets look like. Let us now take a look at the trade setup for today. Well, the market started the week on a negative note, but as we see, the normal profit booking after the recent upward rally might be considered in the coming sessions. Hence, the consolidation is likely to continue in the coming days with support at 22,300 to 22,000, while 22,500 is expected to be a key hurdle on the higher side, as about the same 22,600 to 22,800 can be a possibility. In the last trading session, the Sensex plunged around 600 points to close at 73,503, while the Nifty 50 declined around 161 points to close at 22,333 and formed a long bearish candlestick pattern, which indicates a reversal of the previous two sessions of up move and resembles the evening star kind of pattern formation at the top. Nifty seems to have turned down, and the next lower level to be watched around 22,100 to 22,050 levels. Intraday resistance is seen at 22,525. As we clearly see, the broader markets too were under pressure as the Nifty mid-cap index was down around 0.4% and Nifty small-cap index did fall around 2%, while the India VIX jumped for the first time in 8 consecutive sessions, rising 2.8% to 14 level. Considering all of these, now we take a look at the key support and resistance levels. Nifty may face resistance at 22,353 followed by 22,524 and 22,608. On the lower side, the index is likely to take immediate support at 22,305 followed by 22,253 and 22,169. Talking about Bank Nifty, yesterday a major profit booking was also seen in Bank Nifty after a consistent northward journey in the recent trading sessions. Banking index did fall around 500 points to close at 47,328 and formed a long bearish candlestick pattern on the daily charts. Immediate support for the index is at 47,000 to 46,800 levels, and a decisive close below this range could intensify selling pressure. To assume the upward trend towards all-time high levels, the index must decisively surpass the mark of 47,700. Bank Nifty may see resistance at 47,385 followed by 47,856 and 48,094. On the lower side, the index is expected to take support at 47,233 followed by 47,086 and 46,848. So these are all the important support and resistance levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let us now take a look at the stock-specific news. We start with HG Infra Engineering. The company has received a letter of award from the National Highways Authority of India for access control highway of 4-lane in Andhra Pradesh on hybrid annuity mode. The project cost is 862 crore and the construction period for the said project is 24 months. The next stock in focus is Aurobindo Pharma. The pre-qualification unit inspection team of the World Health Organization inspected Unit 4, a formulation manufacturing facility of APL Healthcare, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company in Andhra Pradesh during September 11 to 15, 2023. And after the inspection, the PQT-INS has decided to recommend to the pre-qualification assessment team that the facility be named as a manufacturing site for particular tablets. As we clearly see, there was a news specific impact, and then the Aurobindo Pharma stock will always be in focus as per the news specific impact. The next stock in focus would be Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. The state-run railway company has emerged as the lowest bidder for signalling and telecommunication work for the provision of automatic block signalling on the Kapri Sevagram section of the Nagpur division from Central Railway. The project is worth 47 crore. Further, RVNL has also emerged as the lowest bidder for the part of the Pune Metro Rail project from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation. The next stock is in focus is RK Swamy, as the marketing service provider is set to debut on the BSE and NSE on the 12th of March. The final issue price has been fixed at 288 per share. And keep an eye, last but not the least, on ASAF Small Finance Bank, as the Small Finance Bank said the Board of Directors has approved the raising of funds up to 135 crore via the issuance of Tier 2 bonds on a private placement basis. So these are all the stocks and news. Let's take a look at the FIs and DIs data. The foreign institutional investors net bought shares worth rupees 4,213 crores, while the domestic institutional investors purchased shares worth rupees 3,238 crore on the 11th of March. All in all, this is how the trade setup for today's trading session would look like. Considering all of the action in the market and the volatility seen in the market, one should always consider research as the backbone of successful portfolio creation. Wealth creation is an art that we understand. We at Deven Choksey have our exclusive research services which are powerful and successful. To avail our exclusive research services, we invite you to join us. Just click on the link below and you are done. Fill in your basic details and our team will reach out to you. So don't wait any further and embark on a wealth building adventure together. Thank you and have a nice day.